Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening your keyboard and tapping on this gear between clipboard and three dots. Following that, select Theme section. Scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And then hit Apply to save it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go into the same settings. But this time, instead of scrolling down, tap on plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!